Listen carefully.
West Central Florida, South Central Hernando County in West Central Florida until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near St. Leo, over 9 miles west of Dade City, moving northwest at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Spring Hill, Brooksville, Darby, Hernando County Airport, Garden Grove, Massarik Town, South Brooksville, Spring Lake, and Shady Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Hernando, Florida.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.